Dragon. Breath. Dragon's breath. Fun fact, dragon's breath is a bright red seaweed that seems to glow when sunlight passes through it underwater. Its vibrant color helps it absorb light deep beneath the ocean's surface. Sea dragon. Sea dragon? Sea dragon. Ocean fact. Leafy sea dragons look so much like drifting seaweed that predators often swim right past them. Devil. Apron. Devil's apron?
Look at me! Watch out!
Devil's apron? Believe it or not, devil's apron is actually edible and has been used as food in some coastal regions. Some blades can grow over 3 meters long. Witch. Hair.
Oh
Witch's
my!
hair?
Oh dear! No, no, not again! Stop that! Get off me! You can't be serious! I give up!
Witch is hair. Nature fact, witch's hair can grow into long green mats stretching several meters underwater. These algae provide shelter for many tiny aquatic creatures. Neptune. Necklace. Neptune's necklace?
Feast your eyes on this! It's the biggest one yet! Yes!
Neptune's necklace. Amazing fact, its bead-like bubbles are tiny natural floats that keep the seaweed closer to sunlight. This helps the algae grow more efficiently in shallow coastal waters. Sea unicorn. Sea unicorn? Sea unicorn. Weird but true. Sea unicorn isn't a magical creature. It's the nickname for a unique branching marine algae. Its delicate shape makes it one of the ocean's most beautiful sea plants.